The digital soldier. How the U.S. Army is building custom AI for the battlefield. The U.S. Army is moving beyond simply using commercial software. It is now developing its own specialized artificial intelligence to support soldiers in the field. A new project, codenamed Victor, aims to transform how military personnel access critical information, turning decades of combat experience into a searchable, interactive intelligence tool. From combat lessons to instant answers, the core mission of Project Victor is to prevent the repetition of mistakes. In military operations, different units often encounter the same technical or tactical hurdles in different locations. Without a centralized way to share these experiences, valuable lessons are frequently lost. Victor addresses this by functioning as a hybrid system, a knowledge hub. It combines a forum-style interface, similar to Reddit, with a specialized chatbot named VictorBot. Combat-tested data. The system is being trained on over 500 repositories of data, including lessons learned from major conflicts like the Russia-Ukraine War and Operation Epic Fury. Technical support. For complex tasks, such as configuring electromagnetic warfare systems, a soldier can ask VictorBot for guidance. The AI doesn't just provide an answer. It cites specific posts and comments from other service members to ensure accuracy and provide context. The ultimate goal is to make the system multimodal, allowing soldiers to upload images or video to receive real-time tactical insights, a shift toward military-owned AI, while the Pentagon has aggressively integrated AI into its systems over the last 2 years. Victor represents a strategic shift. Rather than relying solely on third-party platforms, the Army is building its own proprietary intelligence. This move highlights a growing trend in defense technology, the desire to master the nuts and bolts of AI internally. While the Army is currently working with an unnamed third-party vendor to fine-tune the models, the intent is to create an authoritative source of Army information that is controlled and tailored specifically to military needs. The risks, accuracy, ethics, and sycophancy. The integration of AI into warfare is not without significant friction. As these tools move from administrative back office help to active combat support, several critical challenges have emerged. The hallucination and sycophancy problem military experts, including Paul Scharr of the Center for New American Security, warn that AI models can be sycophantic, meaning they may tell users what they want to hear rather than what is true. In intelligence analysis, a chatbot that agrees with a commander's bias rather than correcting it could lead to catastrophic errors. The rise of agentic AI, the transition from simple chatbots to AI agents, systems capable of independently using software and navigating networks, introduces massive security risks. If an AI agent is compromised or malfunctions, it could potentially manipulate digital infrastructure during a conflict. Ethical and legal battles. There is an ongoing tension between the military and the private sector. Companies like Anthropic have pushed back against the Pentagon, arguing that their technology should not be used for autonomous weapons or mass surveillance. This creates a complex landscape where the government must balance the need for advanced tools with the ethical constraints of the companies providing them. Victor will be one of the only sources with access to authoritative Army information, says Lieutenant Colonel John Nielsen, who oversees the project. Conclusion: Project Victor marks a pivotal moment in military evolution, moving AI from a general-purpose tool to a specialized combat asset. While it promises to streamline logistics and preserve tactical wisdom, the Army must still navigate the profound security and ethical risks inherent in delegating intelligence to autonomous systems.